Hey you guys, sorry my hair is all over the place. Just wanted to show my lips. This is Sunday. This is the third morning or third day. I'm loving them. They are kind of like flaking off a little bit now. That happens on the third and fourth day because they're super dark in the beginning when you do them and swollen, but the swelling goes down within just a few hours actually. And then they're dark and now they're kind of fading a little bit. They feel pretty dry. But you get like an ointment that you have to put on, and I put that on like a lot, but very, very thin layer, but when you're eating and drinking and stuff like that, so nothing flakes off, from being dry. Yeah, so this is the third day. I'm loving them so much, and I will take some more videos as well so you guys can see how it looks. Ooh, you can see my Swedish flag there. Yeah, so this is the third day of the lip blush, or I guess lip tattooing. My first tattoo is on my lips, and then another one is coming in November.